Distributive property. So what we have here is we have a number multiplied by a parentheses. Now, we look at our parentheses first. If we cannot combine them, okay, if we cannot combine them because they're not like terms, what we're going to do is we're going to distribute, I'm going to change colors here. We're going to distribute this number on the outside to both numbers on the inside. So what it's going to look like is we're going to do this. We're going to draw an arrow to the first number, and then we're going to draw an arrow to the second number. And when we draw an arrow to the second number, what we're taking is that term with the sign out front. All right, so in this case, it's a positive 4n. So I'm going to say 9 times 1, because that's my first multiplication, and then 9 times positive 4n. So 9 times 4n. So 9 times 1 is positive 9. And even though both of these terms don't have a variable, we can still multiply. So 9 times 4n. Well, 9 times 4 is going to be 36. And then we attach an n at the back, and it's positive. So our answer for this is going to be 9 plus 36n. Now, you could say 36n plus 9, because remember, addition can be flipped around and it's still the same thing. So either one is the correct answer. Now, when you look at other distributive properties examples, so let's take a look at this example here that I've already completed. What we had to do was take the -2. So if there's a negative sign out front, we have to take that -2, multiply it to the first term, and then multiply it to the second term with the sign out front. So we have -2 times 4k, and then -2 times 10, -10. So we get -8k right here, and then -2 times -10 is positive 20. So this would be our answer here. If we look at one more example here, we have -6, and then right here we have a 1 in front of the x. So if the x is by itself or the variable is by itself, we have a 1 in front. Then we take the -6, multiply it by the second term with the sign out front. So we have -6 times 1x, which is -6x, and then -6 times -1, which is a positive 6. So that would be our answer. So distributive property, rewind, rewatch anything that you need to.